Hello and welcome to Lesson Seller. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Hyper-V feature in Windows 11. Before we proceed, there are a couple of things that you need to remember. In order to enable Hyper-V, your operating system version must be either Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, or Education. Unfortunately, Windows 11 Home does not have the Hyper-V feature. The second thing that you need to remember before proceeding with this tutorial is you need to enable virtualization feature at BIOS level on your computer. Now, in order to get to the BIOS, usually you have to press a key, for example, F1 or F10. Now, this differs from manufacturer to manufacturer. So if you don't know how to access the BIOS of your computer, do a quick Google search with your model number and it'll tell you what key to press in order to get to your BIOS when the computer is restarting. Once you enable the virtualization feature on your computer, you're ready to proceed with this tutorial. Let me minimize this notepad here. I'm going to click on the start icon and start typing the word feature. As you start typing the word feature, you will see this option coming up. Click on it and it will open up a window. Let's give it a couple of seconds. Okay, so you will see this window and scroll down until you see Hyper-V. As you can see, Hyper-V is unticked at the moment. That means this feature is not enabled. What we're going to do is we're going to expand Hyper-V and enable all the features in here and press OK. It'll take a couple of seconds, and once the process has been completed, it will show you this message. Click close. It may ask you to restart your computer, but in this case it did not. If it asks you, please go ahead and restart your computer. Now let's go ahead and search for Hyper-V and see if we can find it. As you can see on the screen, Hyper-V Manager has been enabled successfully on my computer. So I hope you learned something new from this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you've got any questions about this process, put a comment below and I'll answer to the best of my ability. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, please consider subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.